Hello everyone, today we're gonna see some of my Net-a-Porter purchases. One dress you already could see on my Instagram. It's a very nice dress from Proenza Schouler. Unfortunately, I think at least I'm going to return 2 items, but I'm gonna show you everything and I hope it's gonna be useful. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always responding. Also, it would be really great if you could let me know if you like these items or not. I bought these items on sale, so they are much cheaper than they were before, which is nice, especially if you're buying on Net-a-Porter. The first item that I really liked is a t-shirt from the Frankie Shop. Here is it. Actually, I was quite surprised about the quality of this t-shirt. The material is very thick. All the stitches are perfect. It's like a middle range price t-shirt. I'm also gonna write you the initial price and the price for the sales, so you'll be able to check it out, but now I don't really remember and they don't have any prices here, so let's just see the items. So this one I really liked. I'm gonna show you how does it look like. I'm definitely gonna keep it. We have several t-shirts in different colors. Actually, I wanted to buy another one, the striped one, but finally I got this one, which is more blue and with bigger stripes. I liked it. I think it's gonna be perfect for summer. So as you can see, it's a cropped t-shirt, so it's better to use something which is a high waist. Unfortunately, the jeans are a little bit too big. I really like the length and the form of the sleeves. Regarding these t-shirts, I also sometimes wear a tank underneath if I don't want it to be that short. You can also layer it with a sleeve dress or just a long summer dress. It's also gonna look very nice. But in general, it's like a very simple classic t-shirt, which is a little bit more playful because it's striped and also the color is quite bright. So this one I'm definitely going to keep. The next one is from A.W.A.K.E mode. Actually, I have 2 items from A.W.A.K.E mode. I'm going to show you the other one a little bit later. A.W.A.K.E mode is a very nice architectural brand. I wanted to buy it in S, but unfortunately they didn't have this size, so I have to buy it in XS. The material is very firm and very thick. Like all A.W.A.K.E mode items, this one has a very interesting shape, architectural shape. Actually, this one was not on sale, it's like a full price. I bought it by mistake. On the American website it was with sales and on the Spanish side it was without sales, so I just mixed it. That's why I have it. I'm gonna think about it, I may return it and may leave it because I really like it, but I prefer the size S, but fortunately they don't have size S. The next one is also a t-shirt. It's from A.Z. Factory. They're doing a little bit crazy stuff with very interesting prints. Look, this is the back, the label. It's a middle range price brand, like A.W.A.K.E Studios more or less. I bought it in size M. The quality is also very good. It's a thick material, which is not gonna die after 3 washes, I hope so. And I really love the print. Look at this tiger. It's like very crazy, and I'm gonna wear it with blazers and some office stuff, pleated trousers. It's gonna look very nice, and also with jeans, normal casual clothing. If you're wearing this kind of big trousers, oversized, it's better to tuck it in, but it has a print, so I wanted to show it to you. There are 2 ways. First, if you're wearing bigger trousers, looser ones, or boyfriend, it's better to tuck it in, because in this case you're gonna have a waist. If not, you just look like a square and it's not really flattering. Why is it happening? Because in general your figure looks like a square. So if you want to wear this kind of loose t-shirt, you need to tuck it in, or you need to wear skinnier pants or like shorter pants or maybe flare pants, so the figure is gonna look different. If you want to cover a belly or something, just do like this, and it doesn't matter if you have it or not, no one is gonna see it. that's the trick. I love the t-shirt, I'm definitely gonna keep it. The print, the style and the quality is very nice, so I'm very happy with this t-shirt. The next thing that I'm going to show you are the boots from A.W.A.K.E mode. Unfortunately, I think that I'm going to return them because they look a little bit weird, even for me. I mean, I love weird, but these boots, they're just a little bit too much. Here are the boots. I really loved them in the picture, but can you see how thick are the soles? It's crazy. I don't know if it's possible to see it on video or not, but here the boots, they're like finishing here, and then you have 2 centimeters of soles. And I don't care if my legs look bigger, but in this case they just look huge. It seems to be that you're wearing 2 frogs. I really love these boots. They're super nice, the quality is amazing, but even for me it's a bit too much. Can't tell that they're not comfortable, they're very light, but the thing is that I'm looking down and I can see something huge. I definitely can tell that they look nicer on the video and on the picture than in real life, because in real life they look much bigger. I don't know why. I also think that it's quite easy to fall down in these boots. And the last thing from Net-a-Porter that I bought is this dress from Proenza Schouler. White label. This label is a little bit cheaper label of Proenza, but still the same quality. I bought size S. The material is super soft and very nice. I felt really good when I touched it for the first time because it's so soft, and I really love the color. I think this color suits me. I'm gonna show you. But the problem is that I don't feel comfortable in this dress, you know? So I think I may return it. But first I need to show it to you. I think it's the length. I would prefer it to be longer, like until here. But I can tell you that the quality is so soft, and I really love this print and the sleeves of the dress. Thank you guys for watching this video. It was shorter than usual, and sorry about the bad sound. I have problems with my microphone and hope it's gonna be better for the next video. Next time I'm gonna show you a huge Zara and COS haul, so be prepared. See you soon and have a great week.